How do I make my WhatsApp linked device as primary? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Currently, WhatsApp does not allow you to make a linked device your primary device. Your phone remains the primary device, while linked device mirror its connection. To ensure all linked devices stay synced, make sure your phone is connected to the internet and make sure you've backed up everything. There is no such thing as primary device on WhatsApp. You can link any devices and it will remain the same. And the answer is no, you cannot make your WhatsApp link device as primary. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.